أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ومن يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد لهم أولياء من دونه ونحشرهم يوم القيامة على وجوههم عميا وبكما وصما مأواهم جهنم كلما خبت زدناهم سعيرا.
Whomever Allah guides is the guided one. And whomever he leaves astray, for them you will find no protectors apart from him. And we will gather them on the day of resurrection, on their faces, blind, dumb, and deaf. Their abode is hell. Whenever it abates, we intensify the blaze for them.
ذلك جزاؤهم بأنهم كفروا بآياتنا وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
This is their repayment for having blasphemed against our revelations, and having said, shall we, when we have become bones and fragments, be resurrected as a new creation?
أولم يروا أن الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض قادر على أن يخلق مثلهم وجعل لهم أجلا لا ريب فيه فأبى الظالمون إلا كفورا.
Do they not consider that Allah, who created the heavens and the earth, is able to create the likes of them? He has assigned for them a term, in which there is no doubt. But the wrongdoers persist in denying the truth.